short tutorial of how I'm going to create a real estate website using the Housed WordPress theme. So this is the Housed WordPress theme, as you can see, and we're going to install it in our WordPress website. So first of all, I'm going to go to themes. Currently there's none, and I'm going to upload it, but I'm not using the regular route. I'm going to my hosting server. Here I'm click on my file manager so that I can access my WordPress folder, and I'll enter the themes directory. I'll upload the houses, which the link is in the description below. So it's going to take a while to load, but the folder is not that big, so let's say a few minutes. So now let's extract the houses. I'll create a folder name. This is different for every hosting provider. Now I want to move the content of the houses WordPress folder to the main themes directory so that it can be accessible by our WordPress dashboard. I'll delete the previous folder that was created so that it should not cause any interruption, and I'll delete the zip folder also. Back on the themes page, just click on refresh and you'll find the houses WordPress theme right there. Now I'm going to activate it and install all the necessary plugins that comes with the theme. If you notice, I'm ignoring this slider revolution because it normally causes error on the website. You don't have to worry about activating. It's already verified, and we can install demo to get started with sample content. So I'm choosing this because it's my favorite. It normally takes a while, but don't worry about the time. Just be patient. So on the page menu, all the necessary content necessary to make our website running standard has been created automatically for us. All we have to do is edit and move things around a bit. This theme have unique features like front-end dashboard, agency, and customer messaging. So all these features are tricky to get around, but try to take your time to understand how it works and work with it to get the most out of it. Thank you, and I hope you find it useful.